So, hello everyone. You really look like really elegant. Not like me. Okay, this is Nano Wallet. I've redesigned it. It's a website, and yeah, let's go for it. So this is the agenda. I'm going to talk to you about the client, about the research process, the design process, and the final product I end up with. So who's the client? The client is nanowallet.io, which is a wallet for Nano, which is a cryptocurrency. Makes sense, right? Nano wallet for Nano, yeah. So what are the problems? There are three main problems. The first one, the wallet was designed by a developer. That's self-explaining, but for the ones of you who don't get it, means that it wasn't designed with the user in mind. Second one, competitors started to appear. When we launched it, we were alone, we were the only ones, but that didn't last long. A bunch of competitors appeared later, so we have to catch up and work and do stuff. And number three, people started to lose interest in cryptocurrency, so that means less users and less traffic, less everything, I don't know. So the hypothesis, there are three hypotheses, but they all summarize into one point, which is if we are able to, the countdown is not counting. If we're able to, I guess that's an advantage for me. Okay. If we're able to have a design, a really easy to use design, which users can use without knowing anything about cryptocurrency, we may drive adoption and increase the adoption of the whole cryptocurrency world. Which is cool because it's the future. So I started doing the user research. I added like a small banner in there to gather surveys in the website. I ended up with a bunch of qualitative and quantitative data, like the index page of the website doesn't look like a web wallet. I don't know what it looks like. It's impractical to copy and paste the public address and stuff. I don't really see myself using this for daily payments, so that's bad. I don't like the skyscrapers in the background, LOL. Quantitative data, people is young. Users care more about security than other stuff. They all use like other wallets apart from Nano Wallet and stuff like that. The background picture on the homepage is to big bank corporate, and crypto is not intended to be like big bank and corporate, so bad thing. I think it's impractical the way of copying the public address. Like this is like a kind of, something, and then I got like some really insightful insights, like hi, hey, or this. With all my data, I started designing or building my personas. There are two main kind of users. Crypto Geek John, which is like the guy who knows about cryptocurrency, the ones who really believe in the tech and think that it's going to change the world, and Speculative Joe, which is like the average Joe who just invests in cryptocurrency to make a quick gains and get rich quick and doesn't really care about cryptocurrency, the tech, and its future. So with all that, I started the design process. If you see, this is like the old transactions page. It's like this has like a huge JSON, which users don't really care about. So this is like more like the new design with just the info they need: amount, send or receive, from where to where, and a couple of tools. This is the dashboard where you can have, you had right now all your accounts with our like random numbers in a kind of random sequence. This is how it is now. You just can receive and send. You see your balance and you see your recent transactions. Pretty straightforward. It's a wallet, so you can just send or receive. The onboarding process is a huge paragraph with a long seed. I broke it down into 4 different steps, easier to follow. And then I broke the zip in like 4 groups of 4 digits to make it easier to copy because it needs to be copied in a paper and then stored somewhere safe. So easier now. And this is like more or less how it looked, like the mid-fidelity prototypes. So let's add some colors. UI. I started building the mood board, which basically tried to express security, speed, globalization or global, privacy, money, payments. After testing, it really went well, so it seems I'm getting good at mood board building things and stuff. From there, I did my style guide, which tries to express a bit how the look and feel of the website is going to be, and style guide with all the elements, icons, buttons, transactions, things, icons. And this is like the final. So I started with a landing page with no more skyscrapers, corporate banking, or anything, just a wallet with its features and some stats, calls to action. So we sign up. We can see, like, well, you put your email address, password, and stuff, and registration is successful. So let's educate on like some security best practices, like how to keep your seed safe, copy it. There's then like a check to make sure you copy it into a paper, and that's it. It's just a quick reminder that you have to keep it safe, basically. So once you log into your wallet, you basically see your recent transactions, like the last ones you got, you send receipts, like you can receive money, you can send money, and that's what a wallet is about, just sending and receiving money and storing it and stuff. You have the transactions page, which you can order your transactions by account. Like you have many accounts, so you can order them by account. There's a feature for power users who still want to see the whole JSON, which is there. It's useful in cryptocurrency, but like it's a bit hidden for like the layman. I added a new feature, which is a contact, like an address book, where you can create contacts with their addresses and stuff, send them money, info about them, and stuff like that. And yeah, you create them. You have a name, an address, comments, and that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it, and I'm going to be there. Yeah.